Why is Milwaukee Tool selling their batteries so cheap? I don't know if you've been following along closely here at VCG Construction, but we've been noticing a trend starting from Milwaukee Tool. Ever since the announcement and release of their pouch lithium battery, the M18 battery pack called Forged got released, we've been seeing prices slowly decrease on its traditional cylindrical cell counterparts. Pouch lithium is the next step for lithium-ion cordless tools. It puts out way more watts from similar-sized cylindrical cell packs. They can be rapid charged without damaging the pack, and they can be recharged 3 to 4 times more than a standard pack. That means almost 400% more life out of a pack that might only cost a few more bucks. Is this the reason we're seeing prices crash on standard cylindrical cell packs? Hello there, everyone. My name is Vince, and it sure is nice to see you. And if you're super early, like the first person to comment on this video, make sure to say first, and you will be nominated for a prestigious award and title. Look, here's the deal. I had a few promotions come across my desk today, and I just found it super odd because we were just talking about battery promotions in this video here, and I said I found it peculiar, and lo and behold, these promotions end up in front of me, and the prices and promotions are so low that it makes you wonder,
why are they doing this?
Now I'm going to share what I found, but for the sake of transparency, I provided a link in the description so you can confirm what I'm telling you. I just can't understand why they would ever go this low. This is like a desperation move. I mean, check this out. When you buy the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/4-inch right angle die grinder, bare tool, the product number's 248520 at $159, or the M12 Fuel 3/8 ratchet, product number 2557-20, tool only, for $159. They're giving you an M12 Red Lithium XC 4.0 battery for free. The battery is $89. So if you think about it, that means you're getting the tools for like $70. That's ridiculous. Here's another example of what I'm talking about. Look at this promo. It's like they're begging for you to buy their tools. When you buy either the M12 rotary tool, tool only, the product number is 2460-20, or the M12 crown stapler, they're both tools are $99. Milwaukee throws in a $50 M12 CP 2.0 battery for free. And tell me down in the comments if you find this just as odd as I do.
Here's the crazy part.
When you look at the M18 promotions, it gets even worse. I found 2 of them. One is more absurd than the other. But if it doesn't scream, we're making a big shift, then I don't know what does. Here goes. When you buy Milwaukee's M18 Red Lithium High Output XC 8.0 battery at $199, they're throwing in a choice of one of these bare tools for free. I mean, the cost of the M18 Fuel 1/2-inch hammer drill is $199, and the M18 Fuel Pack-Out 2.5-gallon wet dry vacuum is $179. It makes this a great deal, but the M18 Fuel 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench at $249, and the M18 Fuel 5 3/8 metal cutting circular saw is at $249, means they're giving away more in bare tools than you're paying for the battery. It just doesn't make any sense. And if you think that's nuts, take a look at this deal. When you buy Milwaukee's M18 5-amp-hour XC battery pack at $159, Milwaukee will give you a choice of one of these 3 bare tools for free. The sander is good at $99. That makes sense. But they'll give you the Gen 4 M18 Fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver that costs $149 for free. Or even crazier, the M18 Rover dual power 4000 lumen floodlight that costs $149. That makes this almost a break even. Ain't no way Milwaukee's making a dime on these. And quite frankly, I don't care. And if you like when I don't care how much a multi-billion-dollar tool company loses on a tool promotion, as long as it means you can get a great deal on tools that'll help you earn a living and put more food on your table, and a roof over your loved ones' heads, then smash the like button, because it's free for you to do. And it lets me know that you like when we bring the craziness in the tool industry right now to light. Also, if you know somebody that likes saving money on high quality tools, then share this video with them, because frankly, I don't know how long they'll let this one go, because it just don't make any sense. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you all on the next one.